Good morning, friends. I am Professor Ritesh Pegade. Today we have discussed here problem on centrifugal pump. In previous lecture, we have seen also problem on centrifugal pump. So in today's lecture, we are discussing problem on centrifugal pump. So write down problem on centrifugal pump. The diameter of impeller of centrifugal pump at inlet, the diameter of impeller of centrifugal pump at inlet and outlet are 30 centimeter and 60 centimeter respectively. The diameter of centrifugal pump, the diameter of impeller of centrifugal pump at inlet and outlet are 30 centimeter and 60 centimeter respectively. The velocity of flow at outlet is 2 meter per second. The velocity of flow at outlet is 2 meter per second, and when are set back at an angle of 450 at outlet and when are set back at an angle of 450 at outlet, determine minimum starting speed of the pump. Its manometric efficiency equal to 70%. This is given in our problem. See here in this problem statement given the diameter of impeller of centrifugal pump at inlet and outlet are 30 centimeter and 60 centimeter respectively. The velocity of flow at outlet is 2 meter per second, and when are set back at an angle of 450 at outlet, means when setback angle of 45 degrees at outlet, determine minimum starting speed of the pump, its manometric efficiency 70%. So according to our procedure, write down what is given in this problem. So write down first what is given. See here what is given, write down this problem. What is given? We are given D1 diameter of impeller, inlet diameter and outlet diameter D1 equal to 30 centimeter. Convert in meter 0.3 meter. D2 60 centimeter equal to 0.6 meter. We have to 2 meter per second by 45 degree. Manometric efficiency 70% equal to 0.7. So see here, find out minimum speed of the centrifugal pump. So formula for minimum speed, before draw diagram for centrifugal pump inlet triangle. This is your inlet triangle U1. V1 equal to Vf1 and this is Vr1. Direction like that. This is Vr2, angle phi, Vw2, this is V2. This is Vf2 vertical component and above problem, find out minimum starting speed of the pump. So see here, we know formula for N equal to minimum starting speed equal to 120 mathematical efficiency into VW2 into D2 upon 5 D2 square minus D1 square. So this is formula for minimum speed of the centrifugal pump. So find out firstly VW2 here, because we have required VW2. We don't know VW2 in this problem. So first we find out VW2. How to find out VW2? From outlet triangle of centrifugal pump, we have find out VW2 here. So find out VW2, velocity of wave at outlet. So we know, see here, tan pi equal to VF2 upon U2 minus VW2. So U2 minus VW2. Tan pi. We know tan pi equal to F2 upon U2 minus VW2. From this here, from this triangle, we have find out this equation. Tan pi equal to Vf2 upon U2 minus VW2. After that, find out U2 minus VW2 equal to 2 upon tan 45 equal to 2. So we know this is U2 minus VW2. This equation is 1. Now after that find out, also we know how to find out U2. U2 find out by speed formula pi dn by 60, pi d2n by 60. From this we have find out U2. So put the value of d2n here, pi d2 into 0.6 into n upon 60. So we are getting 0.0314 n speed. So we are getting U2 in the form of n speed. So put this value in equation 1. So VW2 equal to VW2 equal to 0.0314 n minus 2. So n equal to minimum starting speed n equal to 120 into 0.7 magnetic efficiency into VW2. Put this value VW2 equal to 0.0314 n minus 2 into 0.6 0.6 square minus 0.3 square. So in this way, only unknown is n here. So find out n equal to 1.866 n minus 118.34. So n equal to 136.65 rpm. This is finally we are getting speed, minimum starting speed of the centrifugal pump. See, in this program, this data is given, means we have given centrifugal pump. First, this problem on centrifugal pump, we are asking minimum starting speed of the pump. We have given integer of the pump, inlet and outlet diameter D1 and D2. We have given V2, velocity of flow at outlet. After that, we have given when set angle phi at outlet, means this angle is 45 degree. And given manometric efficiency here equal to 70%. So from this data, firstly we know this problem is centrifugal pump. So first we draw inlet and outlet triangle of centrifugal pump. So inlet and outlet triangle of centrifugal pump. This is your inlet triangle. This is outlet triangle. Now we know formula for minimum speed of this centrifugal pump is 120 into manometric efficiency into VW2 into D2 upon pi d2 square minus pi d2 minus d1 square. So here we know d1, d2 manometric efficiency and d2 only unknown VW2. So first we find out VW2. So tan phi equal to from outlet triangle tan phi equal to Vf2 upon U2 minus VW2. So U2 minus VW2 here calculate that after rearranging this upper equation we are getting U2 minus VW2 equal to Vf2 minus tan phi, Vf2 upon tan phi. So we know Vf2, we know tan phi because phi is 45 degree. From this we are getting value of U2 minus VW2 equal to 2. This is equation number 1. After that we have find out U2 equal to pi d2 n by 60. So from this we have calculate U2 in the form of n equal to 0.0314 n. So VW2 equal to 0.0314 n minus 2. From equation 1 and 2 we are getting this equation. So we are getting VW2 also in the form of n. Put this value in this main equation, minimum speed of this centrifugal pump. So after putting and solving this equation, we are getting n equal to 136.65 because only n is unknown. So we are getting n value of minimum starting speed of the pump. So see here, this problem is over here, very simple problem. Now write down next problem on centrifugal pump, on similarity of the pump. So write down problem. Next problem, the diameter of centrifugal pump. Write down problem. Next problem, the diameter of centrifugal pump which discharge 0.03 meter cube per second of water. Write down next problem. The diameter of centrifugal pump which is discharged 0.03 meter cube per second of water against total head of 20 meter. Against total head of 20 meter is 0.40 meter. So the pump is running at 1500 rpm. Find discharge and ratio of power of geometrical similar pump. Diameter 0.25 meter. When it's running at speed of 3000 rpm. So see here, the diameter of centrifugal pump. Once again, read this problem. Please read carefully and write down. The diameter of centrifugal pump, which is discharged 0.03 meter cube per second of water against total head of 20 meter, is 0.40 meter. The pump is running at 1500 rpm. Find discharge and ratio of power of geometrical similar pump, diameter 0.25 meter, when its running speed of pump is 3000 rpm. This is given in this problem. So write down yourself what is given in problem. So write down first what is given in our problem. See here, in previous problem of centrifugal pump, we have seen problem on finding design data of the centrifugal pump, but this problem based on similarity of the pump, means this is similarity problem based on similarity of the pump. So write down first what is given. So Q equal to, we have given discharge Q equal to 0.03 meter cube per second. Meter cube per second. We have given head H equal to 20 meter. We have given D1 0.4 meter. We have given D2 0.25 meter. We have given N1 1500 rpm. We have given N2 3000 rpm. This data is given in our problem. So we are asking discharge and ratio of power ratio of geometrical similar pump. So we know Q1 from symmetrical properties of the pump, D1 cube N1 equal to Q2 D2 square N2 0.03 0.4 square into 1500 equal to Q2 0.25 square into 3000. So Q2 equal to 0.014 65 meter cube per second Also, this is we are getting discharge and outlet the geometrical similar pump. After that, similarity of also similarity of also we know under root of pH upon B1 N1 equal to S2 upon D2 N2. So we know H1 H2 D1 D2 H1. So find out H2 here under root of after putting values 0.4 into 1500 RPM of speed. into 3000 31.25 meter S2. This is we are getting S2 from similarities. After that, find out power ratio. We know P1 upon B1 raised to 5 N1 cube equal to P2 D2 raised to 5 into N1 cube. From this, find out P1 upon P2. P1 upon P2 equal to D1 by D2 raised to 5 into cube. After solving this equation, we are getting 10.485 into 0.125. So we are getting ratio P1 upon P2 equal to 1.31. So see here, this is geometrically similar to this problem. We have given in this problem discharge. We have given in this problem discharge H1 and D1 D2 N1 N2. So here first we have find out outlet similar pump discharge Q2 from this formula similarity formula. We know also geometrical similarity. We have find out here just 31.25. Similarly, we know geometrical similarity property. We have find out ratio of P1 and P2. So from this formula, we have find out directly P1 and P2. This is very simple problem. Means we are given all parameter, only putting values of this parameter on the formula and find out values. Very simple problem, but this problem also asked in university exam. So be prepared for this centrifugal pump problem. Very simple problem of centrifugal pump. So any doubt, any queries, please ask me on WhatsApp or on call. So directly contact me and ask any query, any doubt you have. Please contact me. So today we have stopped here. Thank you.